In today's video, I'm going to teach you format a phone number in A2 into this format. 0917123457. We'll keep things simple and practical. Our goal is to take whatever is in cell A2 and display it as 4 digits, a dash, 3 digits, another dash, and the final 4 digits. I'll show you how to edit an existing formula, the exact formulas to use depending on your data, how to avoid errors when cells are blank, and how to apply the formatting to entire columns automatically. First, a quick reminder on how to edit a formula anywhere in your sheet. Tap the cell that already has a formula, tap the formula bar, often labeled FX, make your changes, and then tap the check mark to confirm. That's the fastest way to update any formula you're working with. If the phone number in A2 is stored as a number, the quickest formatting method is to put this in B2. Iksa text A2 thousand senses 00. The text function applies a display pattern. The zeros act as placeholders, so even if a leading zero exists, it will be kept, and the dashes will appear exactly where you want them. If the phone number in A2 is stored as text, which is very common when you import data, use this in B2 instead. Ista left A2 foreign and mid A253 in, and right A24. Here's what's happening. Left takes the first 4 characters, mid starts at the 5th character and grabs 3, and right takes the last 4. The ampersands and quotes insert the dashes. This gives you precise control, even when the value isn't numeric. To prevent errors or unwanted dashes when A2 is empty, wrap that with a quick check. Use IF A2 touch, left A2.4, and mid A2.553, and right A2.4. Now, if A2 has nothing in it, B2 will stay blank too. If you need the formula to reference a different cell, simply edit the references. For example, change A2 to A3 everywhere in the formula if your source data starts on row 3. Tap the cell, tap FX, replace A2 with A3, and confirm with the check mark. Finally, to apply the formatting to an entire column automatically in Google Sheets, use array formula if A2 AA left A2 A4 and MID A2 A5 from 3 and right A2 A4. This runs the same logic down the whole column, skips blanks, and automatically applies to new rows as you add data. Remember, tap the cell, tap FX, and edit the formula. Use left, mid, and right to structure phone numbers, and use array formula to scale the solution across your sheet. Keep your source data consistent, ideally 11 characters, and you'll get clean, reliable formatting